Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find business email addresses for your B2B outreach. So the first thing you got to know is that it's not a good idea to buy data from a broker or to go on a platform that gives you directly the data from a database they own, because most of the time the data can be outdated. So it's always better to have fresh data. And the main source of fresh data, it's LinkedIn. So what you got to do is go on LinkedIn and take the LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. You can have 1 month for free to try it out. So when you are on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you just click on the search bar to access the Will Search on LinkedIn Sales Nav. And for example, if you are looking for CEO in, let's say, Marseille, yes, because we are French, as you can guess from my accent. Here I have my search results. Then you just have to create an account on Emelia.io. So you create an account, you go on the LinkedIn Scrapper, you download the Google Chrome extension, you click to add to Chrome, so it's in French on my side. Then you go back on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you just reload the page, and because you have the extension, now you will have a button Export with Emelia. So you just have to click here, you add a name to your extraction, the cookie of your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, it's take automatically, we take it automatically, and we take the URL. Then you just have to click on start. So in this example, I have like 1500 results, so it will take like 10 or 20 minutes to scrap it all. Then when it is scrapped, it will look like this. And so when we scrap, we don't get the emails automatically, because even if on LinkedIn Sales Nav we could get some email, it will be really a few, and it will be like personal email addresses. So this is not what you want. So what you got to do is to click then on find emails, then the process of finding the business email addresses will start. A few things you got to know about our LinkedIn Sales Navigator Scrapper is that it is the only scrapper that allows you to scrap large amount of data. Because for example, if I do CEO now in Paris, I will have 32K results, and so 99% of the scrapper on the market, they will tell you, okay, but I will just get the 2500, the first 2500. So on our side, you can still click on export here, and what we do on our side, it's to refilter and create smaller batch that will run during few days to have 2500 every day to run automatically. So yeah, I guess that's all. In the case that your leads are not on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, because maybe it's shops, it can be restaurant or beauty salon or stuff like this, you can use scrap.io that allows you to scrap Google Map. So what it does, it's really simple. There is a video inside. You just create an account, you type what you want, where you want it, and what it does is that it scraps Google Map, but not only, it then go to the website to find the phone number, the email addresses, the social network of your leads, etc. So it will not be like nominative email addresses, it can be like contact or stuff like that, but sometimes you don't have a choice. So I guess the video is useful for you and that you will come on Emelia.io. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to put a comment in this video or to talk to us directly on the Emelia.io platform. Have a great day.